used. No article is used before the name of the meal. Before the name of the meal. When it refers general. When it refers general. When it refers general. No article is used before the name of the meal when it refers general. What is the name of the meal? Breakfast. You know, breakfast, lunch, then dinner, then breakfast, then lunch, then dinner. Okay? These are the name of the meal. And in foreign, different types of meal are taken. So, whatever the name of the meal in different countries, you know, in different countries, different kind of meal is taken and they gave the different name. Shafar. Another name is shafar. Another name is shafar. You know, first breakfast, then lunch, then dinner, then shafar. Shafar, you know, generally the employees in the company take breakfast. They have no time to take lunch. And the main meal is dinner at 6 p.m. Before going to bed, they take supper. Do you understand? But we generally take breakfast, lunch, dinner. If you take something, milk, fruit, before going to bed, that is called supper. This is lunch. Dinner, you see, dinner is lighter. Dinner is lighter, but dinner should be lighter. Dinner should be lighter. Dinner should be lighter than lunch. Then lunch. Here dinner is used in the sentence in general. Lunch is used in general. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. Come and take it. Breakfast is ready. Come and take it. It is used in general. But I have already told you, in English, there is no father and mother. There is no one father and one mother, so to say. There is an exception case. If it is particular, these used. Yeah. You mark the sentence. I took dinner. I took dinner on Saturday, on Friday. You mark, it is used in general. I took dinner on Friday. It is general, so these not used. But same sentence, I marked one, you see, I took the Friday's dinner. 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 Here it is particular. I took the Friday's dinner. I use apostrophe S. I took dinner on Friday. It is common. It is general. I took the Friday's dinner. It is particular. If you go to this, you see the dinner on his birthday, the dinner on his birthday, the dinner on his birthday was delicious. Was delicious. That, do you understand? The dinner on his birthday. It is not common. Which dinner? On his birthday. So it is definite. It is definite. It is particular. It is particular. Really, it is specified. This dinner is specified on his birthday. When the name of the meal is specified or determined, these usual. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Just like the lunch taken, that lunch taken in the hostel is tasty. The breakfast taken in that hotel is in the mouth-watering. Is mouth-watering. So when the name of the meal is used in general, these is not used. When it is definite, these used. This is one rule. It is over. It is over. Any question? Sure? Shall I delete it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So come on, another. Come on to another. No article is used. When the no article is used before the name of the game, name of the game or sport, name of the game, name of the game, name of the game. No article is used before the name of the game when it refers to general. What is your name of the game? Name of the game. Cricket is my favorite game. Cricket is my favorite. Cricket is my favorite game. Cricket is my favorite game. Cricket is my favorite game. I like cricket. You see, cricket. I like football. I like football. No article is used before the name of the game. But I like to watch. I like to watch. I like to watch the tennis match. I like to watch the tennis match. Cricket match. Cricket match. When you add match game, here these used. When you use match, cricket game, cricket match, cricket competition, cricket tournament, cricket tournament, you use the. Otherwise, if you refer the name of the game in general, these is not used. But be careful, students. These, in this case, but, again but, the is used. The is used before the name of athletics. Before the name of athletics. Name of athletics. You know athletics? Before the name of athletics. Yeah, the 100-meter race. 100-meter race. The 400 into 100, 4 into 100 race. The long jump. The long jump. The long jump. The high jump. When you refer to athletics, Olympic Games, you know, in Olympic Games, there are some athletics, 100-meter race, 200-meter race, 400-meter race, long jump, high jump. These are athletics. When you use the name of athletics, you may use the. But when you refer to name of the game, cricket, football, cricket, whatever cricket, football, volleyball, tennis, you should not use the before this name of the game. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tendulkar is the best player in cricket. No? Just like you may use, tell me one name, you know Pele? Pele is the best player in football. In football. So when you refer to the name of the game, you should not use the. But if you think about cricket match or tennis match, if you add match or game, 2020 match, test match, a tennis match, you may use test match, 2020 cricket match, 2020 cricket match. In this case, these used. In this case, these used. Did you understand?
Sir,
Yeah, come on.
sir,
Yeah, ask me.
sir, kabaddi ta game na athletics रे जीवन.
Yeah,
Kabaddi ta game
yeah,
na.
kabaddi, hockey, these are game. Yeah, kabaddi, hockey, these are game. Hockey is a game. Kabaddi, football, these are game. Okay?
Yes, sir.
When more players are one team in open ground, when the team is played in open ground, that is game. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is another rule. Come on to another very important rule. I like to tell you. Another rule is very important for you. Yoshi, article D is used. Article D is used Article these used before the name of the holy books, before the name of holy books are scriptures, name of the holy books, scriptures. Do you know what is the name of the holy books? Do you know what is the name of the holy books?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah, Bhagavad Gita. Name of the holy books or any religious book,
Ramayana.
religious scriptures
Mahabharata.
or religious books, religious books.
Here rule 3 da.
Rule 3. Why every one rule you made numbering? Yeah. The Muslims, you say, the Muslims read the Quran. The Muslims read the Quran. The Hindu read the Gita. Read the Gita. Gita, Mahabharata, the Mahabharata.
Ramayana.
Yeah, Mahabharata, the Ramayana,
Veda.
the Ramayana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
Veda Guru lagyo da.
If you think about that is a holy book or scriptures or religious book, any religious book, you may use the
Yes, sir.
the
Yes.
Veda, the Veda, the Veda. You know, this is one example, this is another example. You read, if you think about Sikh, they have different type of religious book. If you think
Christian
about
Bible.
Buddha, if you think about Buddhism, they have different type of religious book. So these used before all types of the Christian read the Bible. The Christian read the Bible. The Christians read the Bible. Read the Bible. Read the Bible. So if you think about the holy book, scriptures, or religious books, these used. Never delete the before the holy books or scriptures. Yeah. And I like to tell you, students, you know, in every religion, there is a title. There is a title given to a religious person, religious priest, the Dalai Lama. You know, this is another rule, really. You know, real. What if the title is given? Title. What is the title? To the different religious, in different religious persons are there. The Father, you know, the Father. What is the meaning of Father? The Father. You know, the Buddha. You know, these are titles. The Buddha, the Dalai Lama. If you give title, before any title, if you give any title before a person, a religious person or a popular person, these used. The Father, the Buddha, the Dalai Lama, the Mahatma. Yeah, the Mahatma. Did you understand? If you think the
Yes, sir.
great
Dalai
Napoleon,
Lama ମାନେ କଣ sir?
yeah,
Dalai Lama.
what?
Sir ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ।
Yeah,
The Dalai Lama.
Sir, Dalai Lama ର meaning କଣ?
yeah, Dalai Lama is the priest in Buddhism. Dalai Lama is the head priest. Dalai Lama is the head priest in Buddhism. Did you understand?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You say in Christian, Pope, the Pope. Yeah, the Pope. The Pope. Pope is the head priest. Pope is the head priest in Christian. In Christian, Pope is the head priest. So the Pope. Pope is not the name. Pope is the designation. Pope is the title. Any designation or title, designation or honorable designation, honorable posts, honorable. If you give any honorable post, these use the Pope, the Father, the Buddha, the Dalai Lama, the Mahatma, the great Napoleon. You may use here the great Napoleon. The great Napoleon. The great Napoleon. If you use the great or Napoleon the Great, you may use the great Napoleon or Napoleon the Great. Napoleon the Great. Napoleon the Great. Understood? These are the Napoleon. Oh, come on.
ସବୁଗୁଡା ଦା ପରେ ସବୁଗୁଡା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଲେଟର ହେଲା ବଟ୍ ଫାଦର ଟା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ହବନି।
What?
ଫାଦର ଟା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ହବନି କି?
Your father is, the really father. You may use father, the father. The father. Okay? The father, or it is small letter or for capital letter, but the father. The father. But if you don't use the, that refers to God.
God.
If you use the father, I have already told you, father.
Yes sir. Yes.
Yeah, I have already told you. Father went to meet the father of the